O.J. Simpson.
Which one?
With the green trim.
The
You
green.
can see
OJ.
the condo that goes all the way
OJ
down to
gloves.
the beach.
So those are the
OJ
condos?
gloves.
Those are the condos? Yeah.
No, this is right next door is a condo.
OJ Simpson gloves.
Well, that one's right on the beach. That one's going to be more than that.
Two? It's a 3-2.
No, in the twos probably.
No. This is 2 bedroom, 2 bed?
That was,
3-2 or
I want to say it was 3-2.
Those are good condos?
Those are condos. That's Blue
Like
Lagoon
what-
right
like
on the beach. You can't build anything like that over there.
No, but the lower is better than the upper. The upper, the second upper. Like 1, 2, they're on the beach, but there are 2 top.
You got the oceanfront ones. I mean, those things are going to take a beating from that. Directly on the beach. The water, the waves in the maritime come right up to the wall. Yeah, they've got metal, metal wood that comes down. But the views from the top one are really nice. But those oceanfront ones right on the break wall.